Barack Obama Motivational Quotes. Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. The future rewards those who press on. I don't have time to feel sorry for myself. I don't have time to complain. I'm going to press on. Focusing your life solely on making a buck shows a certain poverty of ambition. It asks too little of yourself. Because it's only when you hitch your wagon to something larger than yourself that you realize your true potential. Money is not the only answer, but it makes a difference. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep on walking, eventually you'll make progress. The thing about hip hop today is it's smart, it's insightful. The way they can communicate a complex message in a very short space is remarkable. Hope is the bedrock of this nation, the belief that our destiny will not be written for us, but by us. You can't let your failures define you, you have to let them teach you. You have to let them show you what to do differently next time. A change is brought about because ordinary people do extraordinary things. In the face of impossible odds, people who love this country can change it. We don't ask you to believe in our ability to bring change, rather, we ask you to believe in yours. Nothing can stand in the way of the power of millions of voices calling for change. Focusing your life solely on making a buck shows a poverty of ambition. It asks too little of yourself. And it will leave you unfulfilled. It's important to make sure that we're talking with each other in a way that heals, not in a way that wounds. Our stories may be singular, but our destination is shared. The worst thing that colonialism did was to cloud our view of our past. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.